Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll explore how to master the engine settings of our tractors. To start, access the main menu. Then, click on the Engine Settings menu. All available settings will appear on the screen. The first setting concerns memos A and B, which correspond to two target engine speeds that can be configured. Click on the value and adjust it according to your needs. You can engage these target speeds later using the buttons on the multipad. Next, you can adjust the engine's responsiveness. The range from 1 to 4 allows you to set the engine's aggressiveness based on the needs of your application. The higher the value, the more aggressive the engine's response will be when a memo is engaged. You will then find two lines where you can activate the coupling of several available automations. C1 with memo A and C2 with memo B. C1 and C2 are the target speeds adjustable in the Transmission Settings menu. It is possible to activate a coupling between a target speed and a predefined engine speed. Engaging C1 will activate memo A, and engaging C2 will activate memo B. Finally, you can activate the anti-stall function to prevent stalling in difficult situations that the engine cannot handle. In such a situation, the anti-stall will activate, and the transmission will shift to neutral. You will need to move the power control shuttle to neutral and then re-engage forward or reverse to resume movement. Next, access the second settings page. You can configure two functions here. The first is the engine limiter. If you want to limit your engine speed to a maximum value, set it by pressing here and using the slider to define the maximum speed. Then click OK and activate the function by turning it on the screen. It is also possible to activate it via the armrest. The limitation is visible on the dashboard. The second configurable function is the trigger function. This function allows you to set an engine speed that will engage when one of four selectable conditions is met: forward or reverse movement, activation of a lift, use of the hydraulics, or engagement of a PTO. And that's it. We've covered all the possible settings. It's your turn to try.